Let's make some wings! Do you choose the orange chicken wing made by the new Steve Henry Show, or do you choose wings from Wingstop? We're gonna let Moses decide. Now, is Moses a gourmet dog? He was a gourmet dog. We'll see if he still is. Also, these gift cards gotta go somewhere. Are they gonna go to you? I hope so. $25 to Wingstop. We start by using the freshest chickens to make our wings. Where do we find those? We go right to the nest. Is that a real nest? It's a real nest. How do you make that nest? You take a little hash brown into a bowl. You want to add 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of flour. Mix together thoroughly, and you've got yourself the makings of a bird nest. After combining all ingredients in your bowl, you would mold this into a deep fryer and set into your fryer for a golden brown. Isn't that cool? That is your nest. Your eggs. What are your eggs made from? You mold our rice with a little oil of beautiful avocado, and that will go right into your nest like so. There is your fresh start to your wing. What is this doing here? That is a chicken thigh, and that is going to be the supplement that Wingstop is going to introduce in the next 30 days to take the pressure off the chicken wing because the demand has been so heavy. What? A chicken thigh. Now you're going to see us cook this on Saturday a special way like you've never seen before. This is where your chickens start. Is that not right? You got to start at the nest. And then from there, of course, we raise those chickens. As you saw in the short, if you haven't, you need to go and get that link. Watch the short to see how we actually do that. From there, we raise that chicken. We fill them full of proteins and all kinds of vitamins and stuff. Once we get them to the point of preparation, then yes, there's time for the head to come off. It's a sad scene, but it's a good scene because it produces the best wing possible. And we take our fresh chicken wing. This will be our drumstick. That is our drumstick, or drumette as it's known, keeping that skin intact because we're going to prepare that flawlessly into our seasoning today, removing all of the old cartilage or any bone matter. And our flat, this is the flat that we'll use. This is the flat piece. So you've got your drumette and you've got your flat. Those are the two. Some people love the flat, some people love the drumette. You be the judge. We marinate our chicken overnight in a brine in buttermilk and pickle juice. That's going to be 2/3 buttermilk, juice of 1/3 pickle. Place your chicken wings in your brine of buttermilk and pickle juice for at least 2 hours. Okay, whip together 6 eggs. Preparation for the egg wash for the wings. We will coat them first in a flour mixture. Remove your chicken wing from its brine and dust in potato starch. We're just going to do a little light dredging in potato starch into some egg, back into potato starch, very lightly, and into your fry pot. Hot oil. What kind of oil do we use? We use a peanut oil, fresh peanut oil. Once again, dredge into potato starch. Dip in egg lightly, back into potato starch, fry bucket. Brine, fry golden brown about 5 to 10 minutes, turning golden brown in our peanut oil, removing any excess oil that you can immediately. I guarantee you that is going to be the crispiest wing you ever taste. Look at how crispy that is just by looking at it. The next step in our process is to sauce these bad boys. It starts off with ginger paste, a little paste in the skillet. We're going to brine and we're going to zest a little orange. Next up, you've never seen this before. This is apple cider vinegar, but it's enhanced with ginger and a hit of citrus, typically lime and lemon. That is going to be a little splash of the vinegar, just enough to give it that little bit of a flavor. We're going to also add a little rice vinegar to this. A little Tennessee honey never hurt anything. Get that flambéed, the juice of 1 orange, a little sweet and sour, and some fresh orange sauce itself. From the makers themselves, yes, it's Panda Orange Chicken. Now place our wings into, and we saute, bringing all flavors together into a beautiful sauce, turning ever so gently 1 time, and 1 time. Let's simmer for 1 minute, and that is what we're going to go up against on the Wingstop. You think we can beat them? Onto a nice serving dish. Smother a little lather, a little sauce over the top, and sprinkle with fresh chive. You've got to tune in live Saturday, 4 o'clock Mountain Time. So if you missed the first part of this show, that's a little short, maybe 30 seconds. Go right up here. See that link? That link right there? I think I see it. Yeah, it's right there. Go ahead and click that link. You'll get the first part of this in order to watch the second part. And don't you dare miss the third part live Mountain Time, 4 o'clock. You don't want to miss it.